Hey guys, Gary here. So I just want to run you through this article here because this is one of the things where we get a lot of clients, they trip up, they're trying to do database reactivations, they make one mistake and they can get their SIM card burned or cancelled and then their things don't work out right. So what we've done with this is a step-by-step guide. We have all the information in our articles and our knowledge base on how to get set up correctly, the right processes to use, and this article here, it's really important you follow this through step by step. So what you'll find in here is literally going through, making sure you go through these. So select your plan, for example. Now this, each stage is going to link you to the separate articles or the correct articles that you might need to read. So for example here, if you're still selecting your plan, you can click on this. This is going to take you to our comparison table. You can check out here and then you can see, okay, well, which is the right product for me and so on through there. Now, I can just get back to my article here. All right, so every one of these that you go through, there's the resources there. So this will take you through to your installation steps and so on and so forth. So just read the step and then follow through and go to each of the resources that you require at that step to get set up correctly. Now, I'm going to skip through a few of these stages here because you need to choose your hardware, choose your SIM plan provider, get connected. This is all kind of the installation stuff, warming up your SIMs. Now, this is a good thing to do here. So warming up your SIMs, if you are doing database reactivations, we have a great SIM warm-up guide in here. So if you go to this is going to take you through the SIMs warm-up. So making sure you install our snapshot for myCRM bot, install the SIM cards. So you'll follow the steps here to get your SIM cards warmed up. Now I don't want to go through this because that's the article for you to go through there. Validating your list, pretty important. Make sure your lists are clean, valid mobile numbers, cleanly formatted, capitalized names, got names, etc., so that you've got a good list to send them through. So you can go through that for number validation. This is going to explain how to do that. Now, our snapshot. Now, this is a really key part here. Please make sure that you use our snapshot and enable workflows and use the drip campaigns to control and throttle the volume of your messages that go out. This is where people get stuck. What they do incorrectly is just send messages on blast, which will get your SIM card blocked, or send the same message again and again and again with just a change of the name. And again, that gets blocked as well. Okay. If you use our snapshot, use our drip campaign templates, follow the process with those to make sure you vary the messages and the times, then that is going to make sure that your messages go through, you're going to get better results, and you're not going to get your SIM cards blocked. So go through these, the snapshots. We've got a basic drip campaign template here, some advanced ones as well with voicemail drops, so you can add landlines, caller IDs, and advanced AI messaging as well. So make sure that you get those snapshots installed. Now, once you've done that, we're ready to set up our database reactivation campaign. So we want to follow some best practices. Don't have links in your first message you send. No stop to opt out. Ask permission in the natural human tone to get the offer to them, and use varied message content to avoid spam filters. Now, we've got our snapshot installed already from step 7. We want to unsubscribe handling, so we can use that. That's part of our snapshot as well. So we have a workflow in there. So if people do reply stop or please don't contact me anymore, you can take them out. And then we want to use conversational SMS. So this one here, again, we'll take you to another training to use our conversational SMS tool with myCRMSIM SMS Buddy to make sure that you create conversational messages that will work really well in your database reactivations and have varied content. So this is a really, really important step, guys, with the snapshot and varying your messages. So use our conversation buddy for that. Please go through these tutorials here. Once you've done that, if you're using a chatbot, then you can use our myCRM bot to respond and reply to messages. So you can go through these tutorials to set up your myCRM bot. And then once you've completed all of that, then you can start your DBR campaign. All right, so start your campaigns. Always start slow. Start out with one message every 5 to 7 minutes, then just increase it gradually. Make sure you're getting replies. Make sure your messages are hitting and they're actually working, people responding to them. If you've got a brand new SIM card, you do not want to go out the gate with one message every minute. Just start it a little bit slowly. Warm it up like you would an email campaign, okay? So the max rates that you can get to, and this does depend on your SIM card, the age of it, the replies, everything you've got, would be maximum of 1 message per minute. With iMessage, it's maximum of 50 contacts per day. Just take it slow, avoid burning out those SIM cards. Once you're ready to scale, if you want to do more messages and you want to actually increase that volume, then by all means you can add more SIMs and use our multi-SIM method. So you can add multi-SIMs for SMS, you can add multi-devices for iMessage, or multiple devices for WhatsApp. So again, go through those tutorials there when you're ready to add extra numbers to your accounts, and that way you can increase your volume and you can scale to a greater number of messages. So guys and girls, obviously, if you're going through this, please just go through these steps. Like I said, go through these in order, check the other resources as you go through. These are the steps that everybody's following who's having great success. If you're not following these steps and you're getting your SIM cards burnt out or your messages are not hitting, then something is missing in there. We would love to have you have great success, and if you follow these steps, we absolutely know that you will do. So follow the steps. Good luck, guys. Let us know if you need any help. Please come to our open office hours, drop messages in our Facebook group. We look forward to hearing from you.